How to apply for venture capital funding. Venture capital is actually normally given because of the venture capitalists as well as the professionals which put in money within fresh, rapidly expanding companies which have the potential to become essential economic contributors. It really is the best option with regard to businesses by using substantial upfront capital conditions which is not financed through cheaper alternatives, for example debt. These kinds of venture capital firms are likely to be the private partnerships which might be funded through private in addition to public finances, endowment finances, foundations, corporations, affluent men and women as well as foreign investors. These kinds of venture funds will commonly take up these kinds of tasks, financing new in addition to rapidly expanding companies, assisting to that development regarding new products as well as services, obtain equity securities, add value into the company through productive response, and as well consider higher risks with all the requirement regarding higher dividends. Even though thinking about company with regard to capital investment, these kinds of venture capitalists carefully screen that specialized in addition to business value in the offered company that is certainly posted by using business plan to these folks. That sorts of venture finance is commonly made available because of the venture capitalists, and they are at present thinking about tend to be consumer product venture funds, for instance healthcare venture finances, education venture funds, dwelling in addition to personal care venture funds, retail venture finances in addition to venture finances with regard to industrial sectors, for instance computer software networking in addition to FMCG venture fund. Whatever is an industry business is actually linked by using brand is vital precisely as it helps set up the prospect, get in touch, essential, build long-term expanding businesses. Several business owners wouldn't have satisfactory finances to funding projects themselves, and they also have got to therefore seek outdoor financing. With regard to branding, advertising is usually an essential component for this. One should put in large amount of money. There are numerous indie and venture finances which offer venture capital with regard to brand promotion in addition to advertising media inputs with regard to business growth. That firms, for instance Times Collection, private treaties, Lover, with all the investee companies to support these folks within building consumer brand value in addition to within return that investee offers shares as well as a component of business control into the investors.